umilain urindain. Nakakunin si Darius. Si Darius counter foul. Foul by Masinas. Masinas, first personal foul, first foul. Good for 1 point by Darius, involved by Masinas, pass to Masinas. Masinas to Manzano. Manzano to San Luis. San Luis at 3. 2 breaking points by San Luis. Rosquara. 2 breaking points by Rosquara. Last 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Masinas. Pass to San Luis. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Masinas alas by Rosquara. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Masinas is still by Malimos. Pass to Rosquara. No good. Nakakuha pa rin. Oops! Foul! Pwede by Masinas. Masinas, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Magalgal na ako yun. Magalgal na ako yun. Nagkayo, nagpipito sa amin.
In foul by Rebay. Paso Encinares. Encinares kumagak sa pader. Oh, nabitawa ng bola. Nakakuha ng San Luis. Nakakuha naman ng Masinas. Masinas pass to San Luis. San Luis ulit dahil. 2 points by San Luis. Official score. Official score. Deadlock tayo sa 5. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Encinares sa 3. No good. Nakakuha ni Rosquara. Rosquara biglang pumulat. 2 points by Rosquara. Inbound by Manzano. Pass to Masinas. Last 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Masinas, pass to Manzano. Manzano to Orendain. Orendain bumawi. Wala na ako ni Masinas. Ay, Manzano pala, sorry. Manzano, good for 2 points by Manzano. Manlibos. Haras by Masinas. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Rebay. Good for 2 points by Rebay.
Hoy, ayang barbecue!
San Luis. Masinas to San Luis. San Luis bina. Oh! Good for 2 points. Bayo rin dahil.
Dali mo na dumamang, bata man kaano mo.
Malimos, last 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Malimos to Rosquara. Rosquara, lugod na ako ni Rebay. Rebay again, lugod na ako ni Manzano. Manzano na pawasang pagkikay sa Lunes. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot, Masinas to Manzano. Manzano, lugod, Manzano again. Good for 2 points by Manzano. Tumakbong pogi pa si Kuya. Obida kumandag. Nabintawan ng bola. Nakakuha ni Kaibo. Sa Lunes, pass to Orendain. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Orendain, pass to Orendain. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Masinas. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Manzano. Manzano sa ilalim. Pinasa sa Lunes. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Oops. 3 seconds violation. Last 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Official score. 9-11. Dalawang buwang kalamangan ng Solid Homies. Rosquara pass to Rebay. Rebay back to Rosquara. Rosquara sa gitna. Binalik kay Rebay. Good for 3 points by Rebay. Change favor for tayo. Lamang ng isa ang team Drum. Masinas to San Luis. San Luis mula pumula. Pinasa kay Masinas. Off. Ball. Tumulibay. Ula. foul. Personal foul, Sabret. Over the arc, Villarreal. 2 shots, so 1-2, Masinas. No good. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Ba't hindi kinounted yung unang tira?
Malimos. Lumulubor. Pass to Encinares. Encinares to Rosbota. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Is still by Masinas. Masinas pinasa ay Salores. Salores na bitawan ang bola. Salores to... hindi sila nagkaintindihan. Last 1 minute and 48 seconds. Inbound by Malimos. Pass to Rosbota. Last 1 minute and 43 seconds. Encinares to Meke. Encinares to Rebay. Good for 2 balls by Rebay. Manzano to Masinas. Masinas to Manzano. Manzano biglang nakamuntot. Good for rebounds by Manzano. Change favor naman po tayo. Lamang ng isa. Ang solid. Homies.
Pag inihilig ko sa haray.
Last 15 seconds to shoot. Malimos to Rosbala. Rosbala gusto bumawi. Awin! Hindi pumasok pa. Lawal Masinas. Good performance by Masinas. Last 59 seconds. Malimos.
17-14 dapat.
Malimos. Pass to Encinares. Encinares sa 3. Okay, pero sa tuloy-tuloy. Masinas. Paso Manzano to Masinas. Last 15 seconds to shoot. One to behind the scene. Pinasa kay Manzano. Manzano kikipag paldugan. Pinasa sa kalaman ni Roy. Rospada nagudol pa. Ay, nawala sa ng bola. Good for the balls. Gandang pass away. Last 18 seconds. Last 15. Salores sa 3. No good. Nakalioridayan. Good for 2 balls. Last 8 seconds. Last 5. Last 3. Turnover. Last 2.2 seconds. Last 2.2 seconds. Last 2.2 seconds. Now Zulu Boris. Inbound by Masinas, mas to Aras to Rindain. O Rindain biglang pumutok. May good. Nakuha ni San Luis. Ons. Uy, 0 on the line. Marbol yung ball. Paso Agapito. Agapay naman sa Marbol. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Marbol pinasa sa ilalim. Marbol agad. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Oh, foul. Fouling. Aras. First personal foul. First foul. 2 shots. So 1-2. Agapito. Good for 1 point by Agapito. Lasso, Jefferson.
Kalbo.
Good for 1 point. Inbound by Ridel, pass to Masinas. Masinas to Aras. Pass to Salores. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Salores. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Salores na kalalawasan. Pat mo binigay kay Kenneth Bay. Last 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Inbound by Agapito, was Marbol. Marbol to Quezon. No good. Nako ni Aras ay Salores. San Lourdes nagkikinang pala o. Ano? Lugod. Joseph pa sa Marbol. Marbol to. Una. Lugod pa rin. Oy.
Bida.
Oo. Ano? Principal? Ayun mo. Number 5. Si ano? Sangkap. Sangkap. First. Personal foul. Masinas. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot. San Lourdes back to Masinas. Masinas binigay kay Aras. Aras! Hey! Asa ng tap at tuloy. Good performance by Aras. Marbol sa 3. Okay, bawi, boy. Good for 3 points by Marbol. Lockdown tayo sa 21. Estefania Agapito. Good performance by Agapito. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang team draw. Masinas na kabuntot. Oh, foul. Committed by number 5. Sangkap, second personal foul. First foul. 7. Masinas out. Albinain. Last 18 seconds to shoot. Aras, pass to Abina. Abina biglang pumutok. Lugod, nakuha ni Mansalo. Mansalo pumiki. Wala Marumbol. Nakuha ni Obina. Obina to ang bola kay Marbol. Marbol. Counter foul. Foul by San Luis. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Nabayan sa ere.
Bonus shot, so 1 and 2, Marbol.
Parehas kalbo.
Good throw, 1 point by Marbol. Inbound down. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. San Lourdes, Aras by Marbol. San Lourdes. Kikil Bulmawe, pila sa kay Mansalo, Lugod, nakuha ni Abina to Aras, Aba, humigaw na sa ere, 2 points by Aras. Over sa running score, 26-43, tatlo po ang kalambangan ng team draw. Agapito, Torilla, turnover, sa red. Red line out, San Pascual E.
Mabila ka ba, Igor? San Lourdes was to Mansalo to Aras pumili. Aras, Lugod, nakuha ni Diesel, close on the Marbol. Marbol, panis ang pantay ball. Gandang pasahan, may pang-airing na kayo sa kaptat yan. Good for the ball. Umila. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot. San Lourdes pass to Mansalo. Lugod, nakuha ni Abina. Simple. Last 13 seconds to shoot. Last 13 seconds to shoot. Inbound by Aras to San Pascual. Last 10 seconds to shoot. San Pascual. Lugod. Nakuha ni Mansalo. Sel by Agapito. Agapito ng Marbol. Pinalukot pa. Good performance by Marbol. Last 2 minutes and 18 seconds. San Lourdes sa 3. 2 points. Nag-aaso-aso na rin. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Isel by Aras, tumiyan niya bakpa. Pinasa kay San Lourdes. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Aras by Sangkap. Last 10 seconds to shoot. San Lourdes na naman. San Lourdes ulit. 2 rebounds by San Lourdes. Isa na lamang po ang kalaban. Drop. Agapit to Marmol. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Marmol sa gitna. Oh, foul. Counted rep. Basket count. Sino yung problem? Mansaro? Ito, Mansaro. Mansaro! First, personal foul. Good for 1-1. May mambo. Orientate to Aras. To Aras. Using the ball. Pass to Orientate. Bubuk. Nako ni Umida. Over na ko na naman ang bola. Pass ang Agapito. Good runs by Agapito. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. This run is fair. 37-31. Amin po ang kalamban ng Durao. Prospera, pass for Remay. Last Remay to Insidencias, corner. Inbound by Mansaro, pass for Masinas. Masinas using the ball. Masinas to Masinas. Masinas to Mansaro. Good runs by Mansaro. Last 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Rosquada, duduk. Nako ni Masinas. Masinas. Oh, bentuk lang ulang ball. Last 20 seconds to shoot. Masinas to Udol. Sampas away, foul. Good ball. Wow! 2 shots, so 1-2, San Pascual. Good for 1 point. Lasso, Jamos ready. Duduk na ako ng Rosquala. Rosquala, binababa bola. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Rosquala to expectation. Duduk na ako ni Oz. Pero, last 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Inbound by San Pascual. Pass to Masinas. Masinas to Kuya. Masinas to Udol. Udol to Barton. Barton bigla nagkamundot. Wala ball. Oz, turnover. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds. MC Linares, nagkakaroon. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Rosquala. Lugod. Nakali. Oz, turnover. Remedy time. Last 4 minutes and 28 seconds. San Pascual to Masinas. Oz, foul. Going right. Cabanera. First, personal foul. Second, two foul. Barton. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Manzano Pomege. Oz. Turnover. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Barton to Manzano. Nagkakaroon. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Last 3. Last 2. Oz. 20% lang violation. Remedy time, 4 minutes and 3 seconds.
Inbound by Expectation. Rebay to Encinares. Encinares ulit. Pass to Rebay. Rebay sa 3. 2 rebounds by Rebay. Masilas to Manzano. Back to Masilas. Off foul. Kumunod by Expectation. First personal foul. Third to foul. Sabrep. Bardonar. Salvo disi. Sabrep. San Pascual. Orindaini.
Hey, bola!
Official score for Titan to 4. Ating po ang alamangan ng Blue from Sabrep. Oscar Moranay.
Ako sa piyada na naman si Kuya. Bugurog daw ko muna.
Encinares, tungkol ka kanya Orindail. Nag-aaral mo ang isang. Bigay kay Salores. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Salores, haras by Morala. Oh, foul. Dominant by
Pangalan.
Gerson Everett. Oh, sabi ko nga, Cabanela, Villarreal. 0-0. Expectation. Second personal foul. Running for penalty. Masinas to Orindail. Good. Nakakuha ni Morala. Pass to Rebay. On foul. Basket count. Foul by Masinas. Second personal foul. First foul. Ball shots. 1-2. Rebay. No good. Nakakuha ni Masinas. Masinas to Salores. No good. Nakakuha ni Rebay. Morala. No good. Now all turnover. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Inbound by Salores. Pass to Masinas. Back to Salores. Pass to nice ball. Still by Morala. Pass to Villarreal to Expectation. Morala, pass to Villarreal, super balik na ball. Morala, 2 more balls by Morala. Inbound by Masinas, pass to Salores to Manzano, no good. Now Orindail, wala pa rin ball. Pinagiwin na ata sa ball. LS, off. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Inbound by Expectation, pass to Morala. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Morala, pass to Villarreal. Still by Masinas tumikot. Nakabitawan ang mula mo. Still by Expectation. Pass to Encinares. No good. Rebound by Manzano to Salores. Iwan ang pantay ball. Salores. No good. Nakakuha ni Rebay. Last 1 minute and 37 seconds. Foul to Rebay. Salores. Second personal foul. Second 2 foul. Sabrep. Masinas out. Aras in. Morala. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Off foul. Manzano.
Second personal foul. Third, team foul. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Progress sa tres, no good. Tawag na rin, wala pa rin, nakakalimutan. Orientate to San Luis. San Luis, no good. Nakakalimutan Masinas. Masinas to San Luis. Oh, foul, Villarreal. Villarreal. First, personal foul. Penalty situation. Remaining time, 59 seconds. 59 seconds. Oh, last row. Vamos row. Oh, foul. Pumilibay. Orindain. First, personal foul. Warning for penalty. Course the last 55 seconds. Good for 2 points by Rebay. Masinas, pass to Aras. Aras, leaving the ball. Aras to San Luis. San Luis. No good. Oh! Turnover. Last 35 seconds. Ito ba expectation? Pass to Morala. Last 28 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Insinares. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Last 6 seconds to shoot. Rebel sa 3. No good. Nako ni Mansaro. Mansaro pass to Masinas. Last 10 seconds. Last 8. Last 7. Oh! Foul. Pumilibay. Rebay. Last 6.2 seconds. Last 6.2 seconds. No good. Last row. Jones ready. Last 6.2 seconds. 6 na segundo na lang po ang natitira para sa third quarter. No good. Last 5 seconds. Off. Turner. Last 4 seconds. 4 na segundo na lang po. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Inbound by San Luis. Paso Aras. Aras. No good. Last 1. And no goal. San Luis. Paso Masinas. Paso. Ang naman kapasa mo na mo. Still by Roscada. Roscada. Good for the points by Roscada. Last 5 minutes and 14 seconds.
Hindi ko talaga.
San Luis. Last 30 seconds to shoot. Gandang pasa mo. Good for 2 points by San Pascual. Last 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Marco. Valimos pass to good morning points by Agapito. Last 5 minutes and 5 seconds. San Luis, last 15 seconds to shoot. San Luis to San Pascual. San Pascual again. No good. Nako ni Masinas. Ors. Turner. Inbound by Malinas. Pass to Martol. Ay, mas gana ba? Sorry. Magkamuha kayo. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Roscada. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Roscada. No good. Roscada again. Salones. Salones by Macias. Macias. Good movements by Macias. Official score, 51-28. Labing-tatlo po kalaman ng Team Drab. Solo-solo ng Sobino. Good movements by Romina. San Pascual to San Luis. San Luis to Macias. Macias, no good. Nakakali off. 7. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Manzano to Linday. Back to Manzano. Manzano sa 3. Paldo sa Linday. Patay ang matiki. Agapino. Nakakalimutan rin. Este ba nakakalimutan Liubina. Ubina to Balibos. Este by Manzano. Manzano to San Luis. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. San Luis. Counted by Agapino. Agapino. First personal foul. First foul. Four shots of 1 and 2. San Luis.
Maganda, tama mo, halit ka. Pero nakainom ako kasi. Nakapatchik. Ito mo kung nakapatchik.
Malubi, na-orientahin. Orientahin. Nagkarawasan. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Orientahin. Counter foul. Foul na naman goal. Rosada. Rosada. First personal foul. Second to foul. Napatama na. Pwede naman ba? Orientahin ulit. Keep on the lines by Orientahin. Last 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Dito na lamang. Siyam na lamang. Last 15 seconds to shoot.
Patay ka dyan!
From the downtown, keep on the lines by Marcel. San Luis. San Luis kinuha ang himala. 2 points by San Luis. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Marcel, pass to Rosguara.
Gadang ka dyan!
Rosguara to Marcel. Last 50 seconds to shoot. Morala, pass to Morala. Pumigil pa. Oh, panis ka mo, boy. 2 points by Morala. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. San Luis. San Luis ulit. 2 points na naman. Nag-iinit na. Nagpabaga pa. Good points by San Luis. Last 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Is by San Pascual. Dahil Manzano. Manzano to San Pascual. San Pascual to Macias. Macias. Counter goal. Counter si Agapino. Agapino. Second personal foul. 30 foul.
Gadang! Bagay.
Four shots are 1 and 2. Macias. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Good for Robert by Macias. Rosguara was to Norada. Last 2 minutes and 1 second. Basalar goal. Last 50 seconds to shoot. Goraya. Dahil yung buda. Last 10 seconds. Ops. Esta na goal. Masyadong malinaw ang mata ni Red. Last 1 minute and 51 seconds. San Luis. Pantay na yung goal. Masyadong nagigilit. Oy, panis ka doon goal. San Luis again. Oh! Dahil sa kapot.
Ka dyan!
Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Este by Manzano. Manzano to San Pascual. Pass to San Luis. San Luis sa 3. San Luis. Oh! Obos na kampiyon na score.
Sayang, dapat pinalakot.
Time of it. 10 seconds to shoot. Marmol from the downtown. No good. Nakakuha ni Manzano. Pasa sa Lunes. Sana rin sa Masilas. Masilas. Wala mo. Nakakuha ni... Oh! It's never on the line ball. Inbound by Marmol. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Sabret. Masilas out. Masilas in. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Rosbala. Pass to Marmol. Last 1 minute. Last 50 seconds to shoot. Rosbala. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Rosgata. No good. Nakakuha ni Manzano. Manzano to Masilas. Last. Salunes. Salunes. No good. Last 35 seconds. Last 30. Esteban Salunes. Two more goals. Last 24 seconds. Last 24 seconds. Last 22 seconds. No good. Last 15 seconds. Last 55. Last 10 seconds. Last 10. Last 9. Last 5. No good. Oh my God. Foul. Going to play. Manzano. First foul. First foul. Last 1.9 seconds. Last 1.9 seconds. Last 1.9 seconds. Last 1.9 seconds.
Wala na.
Foul. Gulban Salunes. First personal foul. Second to foul. Last 0.6 seconds. Last 0.6 seconds. Last 0.6 seconds.